Hello and welcome to this video on using the centerline method in estimating. So when and why do we use the centerline method? The centerline method is usually used when referring to foundations and exterior walls, and we use it because this represents the average length of the inner and outer faces. Let's have a look at the example shown. We have a foundation wall measuring 200 millimeters wide. Firstly, we will compare the perimeter, i.e. the exterior girth. The measurement displayed already, that is 42.4 meters. Now let's work out the interior girth, that is 2 times 6.3 meters, which equals 12.6 meters, and 2 times 14.3 meters, which equals 28.2 meters. The total is now 40.8 meters, a difference of 1.6 meters to that of the exterior girth. So to calculate the mean length stroke girth, what we use is the centerline method by making an adjustment at the corners. As you can see from the example, the exterior girth measurements have been used. To obtain the mean length, we need to make a deduction for the 4 corners. And we do this by stating how many corners there are, in this example 4, then timesing by 2 half thicknesses of the wall at the corners, then timesing by 0.5, and then timesing by the wall thickness, that is 200 mil. And the mean length of the wall is 41.6 meters. So in summary, the interior girth measured 40.8 meters, the mean girth is 41.6 meters, and the exterior girth is 42.4 meters. As you can see, it becomes very important when estimating quantities. You won't want to have an under measure of concrete. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.